Sir, you have joined today and you have been in Goa in the past. So what are the agenda? And first thing is that for the COVID issue, some police personnel have also been infected. So what is message for your staff first as you are joining?
Good afternoon. Today I have taken charge as DGP Goa, and after taking over charge, I have discussed matters with IG, DIG and other senior officers of Goa Police. In fact, the first priority was regarding this present COVID-19 virus problem, and I was informed that some of the policemen were also infected by this disease. We have discussed how to control and how to prevent infection in policemen. I have asked my officers to analyze each and every case, how they got infected. First, they should find out origin, and accordingly further briefing will be given to the staff. We have discussed with other police officers also from Delhi as well as other states what are the good practices which are going on there. So now we are going to implement some of the measures in the police stations where public go with their complaint. We have to ensure policing, but we have to ensure safety of our policemen also. Regarding other places also, they are deployed at containment zones, they are deployed in cities, they are deployed on borders. We have asked them to brief them to implement those measures so that they remain safe. And since it is a duty, we have to assist administration for this controlling this spread of this virus. So risk is always there, but we will take measures. So this is first priority in Goa. Besides that, now slowly some opening of some hotels are there. Tourists may also come. The priority is safety and security of tourists, as it is always priority of Goa Police. And in fact, we will give priority on all aspects of policing, whether it is law and order, whether it is crime prevention and detection of crimes. Those pending cases will be investigated properly, and those which have not been detected, efforts will be made to detect those cases. Besides that, we have got a specialized branch of ANC, anti-narcotic cell is there. We will activate that. We have a crime branch also. So we have asked crime branch also to activate and prevent crimes, as well as whatever cases they are investigated, they should investigate properly. Besides that, traffic will be a major criteria, because in the cities where industrial growth is there, tourists are there, our priority is to regulate traffic in such a manner that accidents should not increase, especially fatal accidents. And all aspects of policing, whether it is crime against women or whether crime against children, crime against persons who are coming from other places, crime against foreigners, all aspects will be given priority. I have discussed about welfare of the staff also with my officers, and moreover I will taking detailed meeting after your press conference. So in that also we will discuss each and every aspect. Regarding welfares, there is some issues regarding promotions. I have asked headquarter people, officers, that they should immediately prioritize promotions. Those pending promotions will be done very early. Immediately we take a step to promote officers, those who are deserving and as per their criteria. And we have our IG who is well experienced as well as DIG who are here. They have suggested many measures. We will take all these measures since today is first day. So I will study all aspects and we follow it up. And little bit I know about Goa because I was in 92 to 93. I was first SDPO of Ponda. So I know little bit about issues regarding Goa. And whatever we have learnt, because I have served in Delhi, I have served in, after Goa I went to Pondicherry, I have served in Andaman Nicobar Islands, I have served in Daman, Deep, Dadra Nagar Haveli, as well as I am coming from Mizoram. So whatever I have learnt, I will use my knowledge here, my experience here, because I remained for a long period in law and order in Delhi also. In security also I was for a long period in Delhi police, and anti-corruption branch also I was there. And plus I was DCP traffic around 2.5 years in Delhi police. So we will implement whatever experience is there. And this is in fact I found when I was there for 1 year, around 1 year, the Goa police was very professional, and I heard through newspapers later on, I used to read articles about Goa police good work. So I have got good impression about Goa police, and you are most welcome to give suggestions, because you are the persons who remain in field. Many things they don't reach senior officers, whether DG, IG and DIGs. So we remain at the headquarters. We go, but we may not get proper feedback. So whenever if you get anything, any issues, so first you inform us. And I suggest whenever you get any point or write anything, you please try to contact concerned officer of our Goa police. Because you please take his version, because the version which you might have got from the public, you might have got something, the story may be something else. And police can't work without cooperation of press. I had always had good relations with press, but I really appreciate your work done. Will not mind if it is bad work, you please project bad work so that we can improve ourselves. We don't mind that, but it should be a correct information. And you are most welcome to police headquarters whenever you want to come. Thank you.
As far as police stations are concerned, what would be the ways?
Police stations, like we have discussed, like they at many places they have restricted entry to the police station. They have put tent or some structure outside, and there is IG was also suggesting, Mr. Jaswal, that we may put some box and that complaint can be put in that box. But we will examine all these aspects, and then later on these complaint and papers whatever taken, we have got some machines or which ultraviolet machines or something. Like we have to take measures. We have to restrict entry to the police station.
Do you think that online complaint can become better option?
That we will examine. Whatever, because policing what is there, most of the cases are direct. So not all complaints can be online. But some we will examine that. We will
get a lot of complaints online.
they must be getting, because in many places we register complaint online also. So we will see, because minimum human interaction should be there.
Police department is not encouraging online complaint. So far they are not encouraged.
We will examine. We will examine what because legally there is some complications. In something we have to give only in writing. There are many implications, but they must be getting, like other police also, they must be getting some online complaint also. We will check up.
Drugs is the biggest menace in Goa. All than something 10 CR amount of like has been caught in Goa. So what will be the next plans of like?
Since it is my first day, I can't comment what we have to do, but I have to discuss with my officers, senior officers as well as ground officers, what we can do. We'll really take action against these drugs.
So that is the known fact. So drugs have been caught and amounting of something 10 CR. And we have seen as a source like only one PI, Norasco Ramos, I will name him. He has been deported at Vasco. There he has got lot of drugs peddlers. Now he is being presently in the Kalangut police station. He is the only PI, as to my knowledge, who is having much information, catching much of the culprits in the drugs peddling. So drugs is the biggest menace of Goa and it is in Goa.
We'll take his, we'll use his knowledge as well as we'll also train some other officers regarding this drug, not only drug, for other crimes also.
सर सबसे पहले आपका कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आपने आपका बात संभाला है। इंसिडेंट ये आगे एक इंसिडेंट जो हुआ यूपी में, जहाँ पे एक हिस्ट्री शूटर ने कई पुलिस वालों को शहीद कर दिया। क्या आपकी रिएक्शन इस पे? ये मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि गोवा में गैंग वॉर्स अभी भी जब शुरू हो रहे हैं, मतलब 2 दिन पहले की वाकया है, जिसमें कहा जा रहा है कि एक हिस्ट्री शूटर का हाथ है, अभी तक उसको पकड़ा नहीं गया। तो आपकी इसके बारे में रिएक्शन क्या रहेगी और किस तरह से पुलिस फोर्स आपकी आगे काम करेगी?
जिस तरह से गोवा पुलिस के बारे में मुझे नॉलेज है, हम प्रोफेशनली काम करेंगे। जिसके खिलाफ भी अगर कोई मैटर बनता है तो उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई जरूर की जाएगी। तो वी सी दैट केस आल्सो कि व्हाट कैन बी डन, बिकॉज अभी एट मोमेंट आई कांट कमेंट, व्हाट आई डोंट नो थॉरो नॉलेज, बट सर्टेनली विल डिस्कस विद आवर ऑफिसर्स एंड विल टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट दोज पर्सन्स हु आर इंडल्जिंग गैंग वार्स इन गोवा।
सर पता नहीं आपके ऑफिसर ने आपको क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है और देंगे, लेकिन ये देखा गया है कि गोवा में जो इंटेलिजेंस है पुलिस का, जो काम करना चाहिए वो ठीक तरह से काम नहीं करती है। इसके लिए कई क्रिमिनल्स गोवा में आपके जाते हैं, तो इंटेलिजेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए आपका कुछ प्रयास होगा?
नहीं, अब आपने ये चीज़ उठाई है कि इंटेलिजेंस स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, तो विल डिस्कस आवर ऑफिसर्स एंड विल ट्राई टू स्ट्रेंथन इंटेलिजेंस नेटवर्क।
So on the gangsters war, same as order for the license जो मतलब लीगल लाइसेंस है ना गन्स के, कलेक्टर को के रिपोर्ट करना कि कितनी लीगल लाइसेंस हैज बीन देयर इन गोवा। सो समथिंग ऑन 29th of June आई थिंक इट्स बीन रिपोर्टेड सर। ये जो 29th of June है ना सर,
हाँ,
और तब तक सीएम ने बोला था कि कलेक्टर ऑर्डर किया था कि कितनी लीगल लाइसेंस गन्स है गोवा में इन्फॉर्म करना। आई हैव नो आइडिया इट्स बीन इन्फॉर्म।
so we'll find out and tell you.
Licenses are legal only. When you say license,
कलेक्टर से पूछा तो कलेक्टर
licenses are legal only.
And there must be some record, na? Like must be.
मतलब कोई फिगर है?
अब हम पूछ लेंगे, अगर पुलिस से पूछा होगा तो we'll give you figure. अगर पुलिस
Collector is the authority. Collector can only answer.
if नहीं, if police has been asked certain information, we'll share with you.
Sir, welcome to Goa. This is Anil from ANI. So कल yesterday the government has announced on the tourist लोगों को वेलकम किया है गोवा में। पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट कौन सा तारीख से चेक पोस्ट में कैसे तैयारी चल रही है, कैसे देख रहे
नहीं,
हैं?
किस तरह से मतलब?
टूरिज्म अभी ऑलरेडी गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है कि होटल सब होटल स्टार्ट किया है, और बॉर्डर पे इवन बाय रोड ये इस रेलवे से आता है ना, वो लोगों को गोवा पुलिस की कैसे कौन सा तारीख से फॉलो कर रहा है?
जो स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट निर्धारित करेगा उसके
SOP is there, बॉर्डर पे तो इलीगली थोड़े लोग आते हैं, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट के SOP में कि नेटिव सर्टिफिकेट ये कुछ चाहिए। इवन गोवा पुलिस भी उधर बॉर्डर पे आके
नहीं, मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि जो गवर्नमेंट के इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं या पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट ने अपना कोई SOP जो भी बना रखा है, दैट विल एग्जामिन। जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस फील्ड में दे रखे हैं तो दैट विल फॉलोड बाय फील्ड ऑफिसर्स, विल इंश्योर दैट। So let me settle down and then I can discuss, because I don't know about much about Goa about this issue. From?
From the Goan every day.
Okay.
My after a long time. This time it is it's happening in Goa
As
after
per
very long time. The last time something like that happened was somewhere in the 90s.
First of all, we cannot appropriately call it gang war because whenever gangs are formed, there is always something underlying that gang. It may be prostitution,
It's extortion.
it
From
may
what
be
I
drugs,
Yeah.
because that has not come in the investigation. Or it could be anything, matka gangs or the basic issue in this dispute was about argument. People from both the sides loved that particular thing. So that was the crux of the dispute. And we have already arrested 22 people in this case. So that shows within 24 hours, almost 12 people were arrested and balance were arrested later on. So we are very serious about this. So I would not appropriately call it a gang because the issue is not the money, issue is not the organized crime, issue was something else. However, as you said, whether there is any procedure to take it, there are police rules. We are keeping watch over habitual criminals, and if a person is indulging in crime again and again, we move external procedures also. And even in certain cases, NSA proposals have also been moved. Apart from that, there are preventive sections of law under which we routinely take action against.
Just I am saying about the I feel this line for 28 years. The man who has applied for amnesty today was mentioned in this case is a man who is known to be an organized underworld man.
That I understand. We understand the definition of organized crime also. I know what you want to know. But since today is the DGP's conference, DGP has joined it today only. So it is just a introductory orientation. So what will be the priority? So we will definitely discuss.
We'll have a detailed press conference in a couple of weeks maybe, but today like I had already told you, this is an orientation press conference. Suggestions are welcome. Any basic questions are
Because
welcome.
DGP is not aware about the facts of it.
So I think any question, last question.
Last questions?
Any incident happens in Goa?
Any?
Major incident happens in Goa, like this, what we call as a gang war or anything. It's very difficult to get the information. The concerned police station or any officer are not taking the phone.
That I will discuss with my officer, will find out some measures, some mechanism.
इसी को जोड़ के मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि पहले DSR वगैरह में दिए जाते थे। अभी कितने साल हो गए हम तो देखा ही नहीं DSR दिए जाते हैं
DRO ही नहीं है पार्टी।
तो इसके बारे में आप सोचो और
Yeah, I will discuss with IG and DIG.
DGP is always available to you.
No, some DSP level officer would be
The
appointed.
DSP level officer are not supposed to speak because it's a matter of great importance. You are talking about a legal issue. So normally not less than a SP rank officer. That is why we assign Shobik.
But I think people who are in the media have know that I am appointed as PRO since the last 2 months. I don't know how, you never interacted with me, but most of the people who are sitting here are aware that I am the PRO. Thank you very much for your suggestions. Sir, call karo. Thank you
Sir,
so much.
last question.
Last.
Plan about human trafficking on maybe on ATS.
देखो, whatever policing point is there, whatever aspects of policing there, whether it is trafficking, drug, whatever is there, we will stress all aspects with priority. My priority is everything. There is no specific thing we will do only this. The policing covers whole aspects that you also know. So we'll have each and every cell, each and every unit of police will be given importance. Thank you. And please first give me introduction. No? We have just started.
Start telling us.
My name is Samir Navekar. I am photojournalist from Kodari.
Sir, I am Ganesh Chettar, photojournalist, Lokmat.
तुळशीदास राऊळ फोटो जर्नलिस्ट तरुण भारत.
Devendra Valavkar, Doordarshan.
Hi sir, this is Anil Sanvi from ANI. Uttar Pradesh from Rockwood.
James John D. Silva, crime reporter त्यांची ची
from Nagaraj from ANI.
I am Ganesh Gavde from Hangalpur, opening Mr. Sir, मैं अनिल in Goa.
I am Vilas Madi from Goman.
Mukesh Kumar Prudent.
From?
Prudent.
Prudent.
Thank you.
Sir, एक फोटो में